Hey, this is George. We're live here in Desoto. We're doing a metal fence for a customer who wants to keep his dog in. It's a small project, so we get it done no matter what. As you can see here, we got the fence there. Got our welder. The welding here, looking great. Beautiful. It's gonna be painted black. Keep that little dog in. Beautiful. That is. Like that. Looking great. Awesome. Getting the job done. So if you need a metal fence, let me know. Let me know if you need a metal fence. Let me know if you need that right there. That's what we do. Professional work. Beautiful work. George with On Point Contractors. If you need a metal fence, no matter how long it is, how tall it is, you can do it. Automated. Fence that opens up automatic. When you do small projects, big projects, let me know. We can get it done. OnPointDFW.com, OnPointDFW.com. Give me a call anytime. 214-702-1902. It's your metal fence.